What is up? Hoyt Tottys here with Forbes here in Wallace, bringing you another episode of Behind the Line. This is where we give you a sneak peek into the day of a life of a rep. And I wanted to chat with you about a recent factory training I got to do in beautiful Gray, Kentucky, the home of Jackson Warewashing systems. Now, first thing I learned on my visit was for bourbon to be bourbon, it needs to be at least 51% corn. So, next time my mom tells me I need to eat my veggies, I'll say, make it a double. Second thing I learned, Jackson Warewashing has a dish machine for virtually any application. We have undercounters, door types, rack conveyors, flight types. We even have a dish machine that'll fit down the hatch of a submarine. So the next time you want to host a dinner party 15,000 feet below sea level, we're on dish duty. In addition, most of these machines come in either low temp or high temp. So if you believe that sanitizer is the best way to get your dishes clean, we got you covered. If you believe that 180 degree final rinse temp is the best way to get your dishes clean, we've got you covered. At the end of the day, if you want a clean dish, we've got you covered. Another thing I learned on my time is Jackson makes some ridiculously eco-friendly dish machines. Some using as little as 0.65 gallons per rack. It's just fantastic. They also manufacture a couple of dish machines that are truly ventless, so you should check those out. The link will be in the description below. A couple of things that I really took away from my time in the facility itself was, one, Jackson tests every dish machine before it leaves their factory. So they make sure that it's working properly before it gets to you. The second thing, in addition to the phenomenal employees they have working on the factory floor, they have some pretty amazing technology and machinery to ensure that you're going to get a high quality product each and every time. So thank you for taking the time and watching this. Hopefully you found it useful. If so, please leave a like. If you'd like to see more of our content, go ahead and subscribe. And as always, be good or be good at it.